A North Texas dentist uses her talents not only in her office, but in her kitchen too. She is helping change lives one smile at a time. Here's WFAA's Tiffany Liou.
Okay, Dax, let's sit right here.
Visits with Dr. Dane Hoang leave a sweet taste.
Mint, probably.
Probably mint.
Even with tools hovering over, the kids seem to love their pediatric dentist.
Look at this smile.
Dr. Dane finds a way
Now my teeth are good.
to make them smile.
You can come all the way around there, Daphne. For us, always fun color, different flavors, and things like that.
That's how she lives, with color and flavor from her dental office.
We just grow up with them. Looks good, Daphne. Open big swing.
All the way home.
It's not quite enough.
When she's not working on teeth, Dane keeps her hands busy.
I really love dentistry. I do, but then my other passion is also cooking.
She crafts her own recipes.
Nước chấm, which just pretty much means dipping sauce.
A traditional palette of Vietnam. The few ingredients to make this dipping sauce
This is like chemistry. I was a biochem major, you know?
remind her of home.
I have my mama's approval. Let's just put it that way.
Dane was born in Quy Nhon, Vietnam.
And we came to America as boat refugees.
She was 8 years old, but the memories of 1979 are clear.
I do remember it. I just remember it was very crowded and it was just tight space. I couldn't breathe.
Her family made it to Texas, where her parents started over. She's always held on to their grit and held on to home.
I love to share our culture.
Thank you.
In 2008, after Dane established herself as a dentist,
Have you had one before?
she traveled back to Vietnam as a doctor for Operation Smile. She's been a volunteer ever since.
Operation Smile is a non-profit organization that goes around the world and provide free surgery for children who are born with facial deformities, such as cleft lip and cleft palate.
Maybe you're starting to see a pattern here. For Dane, even this is not quite enough.
I call it side hustles. I'm always coming up with all these projects.
It's why in 2017, she founded a charity with her daughter called Kids for Smiles.
So we do some local projects such as Feed the Homeless, Serving Smile. But we also support some of the projects that Operation Smile does.
As she makes her Nước chấm, it stirs up the past, her story, her culture she wants to share.
People have to try it.
So with her daughter, they hand pour, seal,
Hand roll.
and stick the labels. They then sell each bottle to people in North Texas.
All the profits will go to Kids for Smile.
The money goes back to the community, and some given to Operation Smile.
And never give up. Whatever it is, find your passion.
Knowing Dr. Dane,
Good job.
even this may not be enough.
Work hard. Have that broke mentality.
But whatever her next adventure,
The traditional dipping sauce,
guarantee
nước mắm chấm.
it leaves a sweet taste.
Delicious.
In Dallas, I'm Tiffany Liou.